Okay, as soon as this focuses, this will be one of the last unboxings I do. One of, I'm gonna say 3. But yeah, that came. And let's see if it actually works. Now, give me a second. Okay, it seems like it does fit. So, since this fits the 100 watt, this will fit. My other one, my plan is to put the other panel on this, and then the other, one of the to control for this one for this, and since it does fit, kind of, it should fit enough. Anyway, it's that. I wiped it off with a wipe, with an antibacterial wipe, so I'm good. Anyway, the next unboxing will come a little bit later. And for the person who commented, you might test yourself out. Well, the one thing I can't, because the water I have, it tastes moldy. So, yeah. Anyway, this is a quick unboxing. Peace.